Lumafusion 4.0 is here. The big news is what? Multicam editing is here. Woohoo! Finally. But multicam is not for everyone. Okay. In this video, I'm going to share with you my process from purchasing the product, the multicam, to actually editing it. Okay. Just an initial impression only. I will do a full review when I have more time to play with it, and probably give you guys a tutorial as well on how to use multicam to your advantage to better yourself as a video editor. Let's go. Now, when you first up, right, where do you find to get it? Okay, it's an in-app purchase. So you go to your settings down here in the corner, go to add-on, okay. Then there's multicam. Okay, depends on where you are in the world. Okay, me, I live in Sydney, Australia. Okay, for me, the price here is in Australian dollar. I get $31. Okay, depends on the exchange rate as well at the time of recording. Okay, so I'm gonna buy it. Okay, it cost me $31. Okay, it's fine. Okay, buy, and I need to verify it. Okay, touch payment, done. Beautiful, easy. That's all. Okay, you all set. Your purchase was successful. Woohoo. Okay, so right now I have multicam. Okay, so it showed me when the time I got it. Okay, all done, multicam. Okay, right now it says here, right here, multicam studio. Okay, multicam studio is on. Okay, so go click out. Right now I have to make a new project. Okay, otherwise I still can do it. Okay, but I've got to find in my media a multicam. Okay, okay, let's play with it. Okay, everything stays the same. The only new thing is what? It's this button right here. It's a multicam container. Okay, multicam container. Okay, I'm gonna press on it right now and see what happened. Boom. Okay, it gives me this container. Okay, so synchronize. Okay, double tap on it, and where to go? Synchronize. Okay, you have to press on synchronize. Okay, now let's go to a link folder. Let's do an example. Okay, I have multicam running right here. Let's see. Okay, let's drop a few to play. Okay, so right now I have a screenshot. Okay, a few other stuff as well. Not perfect because I haven't labeled this properly yet. This is my main one. Drop it in there. That's the audio, no good. Drop it again. Video. Okay. Can I flip it out? Yes, you can. Okay, so you can do all the flicking. Okay, you can delete. So drop it in there, the main track. Okay, click it out. That's my main track right here. Boom. Boom. Click it out. Once you have it on, you can move it. Okay, so make sure you got it in the right spot. The first one. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 slots that you can play with. Okay, let me start in. Just random because you don't want to be super size. Okay, that one. That's the main track. The audio as well from this one. Boom. Get that one in as well. And that one. Yeah, might as well that one. Okay. Then there's this button right here. Okay, it say press to synchronize. Okay, let's try that. Okay, first impression. So I have not looked at any tutorial, actually one tutorial, okay? But that's a long time ago, when they first demonstrated, so I don't know. Okay, so let's try automatic audio timecode or manual, okay? Usually when I do multicam editing, the old ways, which I did like the manual synchronizing, okay? I line up all the audio track and I synchronize there. But with this one, I pay $31 Australian dollar to get this function, okay? Let's see how it works, okay? First time try it, I try automatic, okay? To see how good is Lumafusion in synchronizing automatically, okay? Like Final Cut Pro, they have this function a long time ago, so it's not something new, okay? Let's try it and see what happens, okay? Okay, we have this busy bar, okay, progress bar, a pie bar here, okay. Depends on your clip, okay, how long it's gonna take. Right now, probably around 10 seconds so far, so it's quite fast. Boom, done. Did it sync up? It did. Yoo-hoo. So right now, see that? See that, right? That's the waveform. Usually when I do manual synchronizing, okay, I usually use 3 claps, okay, 1, 2, 3, like that, okay, and there's an audio waveform forming, okay, so that's perfect, okay, so it's formed perfectly like that, right there, okay. Let me play it for you so you can hear it. Open up. Okay. Now, how do you play switching? Okay. So right now it's the dark screen. Okay. So Lumafusion is finally here on Android, but it's too late. Okay. Let's cut there. Okay. Synchronize done. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to do the switching, okay? That's from what I know, because right now you can't do anything. Can't do any cut, okay? What does this do? Plus forward, backward, nothing, okay? So I think you have to close this down, okay? So synchronize done. Now you want to do your switching between different camera, okay? That's why it's called multicam, right? Okay, so let's see. It's a close button. Let me press on that and it should close everything. Boom. Now we have up here, right? We have a synchronizer. We did that already. Now we have the switcher. Okay. Now to do multicam, I think you have to press on that. Okay. So let we press on that. We'll play with it. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. Switcher. Now we in business. Okay. So that's my camera, main camera right there. And there's 2 cams. Okay, very short clip, but it's there. Okay, so let me do a cut. Okay, there. Play. It's too late for Luma Touch to catch up. Cut. Lumafusion is finally here. Yes. Cut. Lumafusion is finally here on Android devices. Is it too late for Luma Touch to get back the trust? Let's cut. This video, should we? Cut. Okay. So when I do some cut like that, right? Let's see what happened. I did a cut right here on here. Close. Okay. So I think you can go back and forth anytime you want. It's not cutting, but you have to. Can you separate the audio? Interesting. You can't. Okay, so I see a problem with this already. Okay, perfect if you have the main audio already. Okay, the main audio already. Then you do the video overlay on top of that audio. That will be perfect. A perfect this example, this way of editing is good for MTV, okay, music video, okay. But for normal editing like talking head, I doubt it'd be a good idea, okay. But it's just my first impression, okay. But I wouldn't do it this way, okay. I wouldn't do. I would have more option, okay. Let's go synchronize. Okay. Switcher, so you can edit. Okay, back to the switcher. So right now I have like 2, 3, but one is missing data. Okay, not long enough. But so far, it's not perfect. Took 2 years for my type of editing. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. So I don't know. It's just an initial thought right now, but so far I'm not very impressed. Okay, I play with it, go online and have a look at a few tutorials to see what happened. But so far I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Okay, but I'll give you a full review in a week or so when I finally get to play with it, get to know it, and I'll give you my opinion. Okay, don't go and buy it now, okay? Let me do the hard work for you. Give me 1 week, 1 or 2 maximum, promise, then I'll give you my review. Should you get this Multicam as an editor? Okay? I'll see you next time with another video. Okay? Bye.